So I just got the PerformaSleep 2.0 mattress, and in this video we're gonna open it up, get it laid out, then test it out, and give you my initial impressions. Hey, my name is Mike Behrens. I've been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years. I've been married for almost 14. I got 3 daughters, and I've been in the fitness industry for about 10 years. Now, one of the things that you don't really think about as fitness is the mattress that you sleep on, but it actually couldn't be more important to your daily recovery because that's when your body recovers while you're sleeping. I've had a mattress for probably about 10 years and it is finally at its end. It has a valley in it where I sleep. I'm 6'5", I weigh 270 pounds, and so after 10 years of me sleeping, it's just kind of wore down and it was time to get a new one. So when I was in the market for a new mattress, the first one that came to mind was PerformaSleep. And I've got a buddy who has had a PerformaSleep for a long time. He works with other athletes who also have PerformaSleeps, and I hear nothing but good reviews, so it just made sense to go with that. But in this video, we're gonna open it up and test it out for the first time. So let's do it. The box here, cut it open. It comes all packaged, nice and neat. They compress it quite a bit. So it just kind of rolls out just like that. This is the king size mattress, so it's pretty heavy to carry up the stairs. Okay, now that, gotta be careful, don't want to cut it with a knife. So I'll put that in my pocket. Looks like there's just some plastic here. Wrapping it up. I'd say they wrapped it up pretty good. Oh, there it goes. Well, it's already starting to unseal. Let's see, which side is the bottom? Okay. That's the bottom, that's convenient. See the PerformaSleep logo. Got the PerformaSleep logo right over here, so I think I got it right. Now we'll get a knife and be careful cutting it. Cut the plastic. Well, that didn't take very long at all. Wow. Feels really nice. Cool. It's definitely got like it needs to unfold a little bit more. Feels really good. Feels really soft. True Test will be laying in it in just a minute. The unwrap, you can tell that it was folded up because it's still got kind of a curve to it, which I'm sure will flatten out over time. But it definitely re-inflated real fast. All right, this looks really awesome. Now it's time to test it out. Lay down on it, see. Oh, yeah. See ya. I'm gonna go to bed now. That is super comfortable. Wow. Oh. I feel the support on my back already. I don't feel like I'm in a valley. Huh. I can't wait to sleep on this. That's gonna be awesome. It'll be way better than what I slept on before. Wow. Test the edge out. It's definitely got some more like filling up to do. I'm sure it will fully decompress after a while, but man, it feels good right now. This is comfortable. Very comfortable. Roll this way. Nice. I love this. This is super comfortable. Sitting on the edge, there's good edge support. Bounces right back when you come up. Very comfortable. It'll be exciting to sleep on it now and see how I sleep overnight tonight. I'll do an updated video and post it after I sleep on it for a little while. and let you know what I think. This is gonna be awesome. This is freaking cool, super comfortable. Do the thing where you jump. That's that everybody does. You jump and test it out. So dumb, but I'll do it anyways. Yeah, this is gonna be comfortable. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay, now that I got it set up, I am gonna go get my wife and see what she thinks.
Is the top soft?
Yeah, super soft.
Ready? It's soft and firm.
All right, so that's it for my initial impressions of the PerformaSleep 2.0 mattress. It is definitely a hit with me. Super hit with my wife. She almost fell asleep while I was recording some of the video. So definitely a hit for her as well. I will post more videos as I sleep on this. I'm excited to sleep on it tonight and see how it goes and see how I sleep and if I wake up with any back pain. If you're interested in learning more about PerformaSleep or picking one of these up yourself, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description so that you can do that. But stay tuned to the channel for more reviews and insights for men leading with purpose. I'll see you in the next video.
Should we put a wine glass on it?
Our luck will spill it.